Right, Dave Glitch. 3 people on this YouTube channel, and sometimes we get together, like Far Cry, Far Cry 5 on drugs or whatever stuff, stupid crap like that. Yeah, but this is my balisong review, and I got the red slaughter. And here in the case, you'll get the balisong spring latch, so when you squeeze it, it opens. And this is from Csgo. So, yeah. And what comes in a case is, I'm using one hand, so it has foam, so protect it. And here's a case. And also, this is not sharp. It's a training one. So you can't cut yourself. Like hold on. How can I? Alright. Hopefully you guys can see. So you're not sharp. Hopefully you guys seeing it. See that? Well, did nothing. So see you in the next video for my other balisong I'm gonna get.